Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate investments with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate investments with Robinhood, start by downloading the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the app. Select the investment or stocks you are interested in. Familiarize yourself with the features of the app, focusing on the recurring investments option. Tap on the Invest button for the selected stock. Look for the option that says Invest in recurring installments or similar. Choose the amount you wish to invest at regular intervals. Set the frequency of your investment, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Confirm your selection to activate recurring investments. For enhanced automation, consider using the Auto Invest feature if available. Check your notifications and settings to ensure all parameters are correctly set. Review your portfolio to monitor the performance of your automated investments. Adjust the settings or amounts as needed based on your financial goals. Regularly assess your investment strategy and performance over time. Stay updated on market trends to inform future adjustments to your automated investments. With these steps, you can successfully automate your investments through Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.